When your kids leave for school in the morning, a lunchbox packed with their favorite snacks is one of the basic essentials. The best lunchboxes make it easy for the parent and child to enjoy lunchtime and pack food. They're roomy, lightweight, easy to open, and a breeze to clean. In order to help you to find out the best one, we have selected and reviewed 5 best kids' lunchboxes, which are recommended by users and field experts. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in the description. Number 1. Benko Kids Lunchbox. Available in different pleasing colors. Has 5 practical compartments, portioned perfectly for a child's appetite, to encourage a healthy and balanced meal. Keeps meals and snacks fresh and mess-free during transport. Designed with 2 kid-friendly latches that are easy for small hands to open and close. Made with durable, rubber-coated edges that protect the lunchbox when dropped. Number 2. Koccido Bento Lunchbox Kit. Made of high-quality BPA-free food-grade, wheat fiber composite material, which does not have any health risks. Has enough space to accommodate food, and can separate vegetables and fruits, to maintain the flavor of the food. The airtight and leak-proof lid will not leak water, so you can safely carry food. It is sturdy and durable, and can heat food in a microwave oven. It is very suitable for children and adults to bring food to school, office, picnic or anywhere. Number 3. Simple modern leak-proof lunch container. It features 5 divided compartments and a lockable snap to secure the lid. Case and removable insert are made from durable BPA-free plastic. Its lid is attached with hinges, and it opens like a suitcase. When closed properly, it will not leak. Number 4. Hainiku Kids Lunchbox. Can be opened with one finger, designed to be child-friendly, easy to open and close. Made of food-grade materials and free from toxins, odorless, and extremely durable. The seal on the inner cover prevents the leakage of wet food. The cup has wide mouth, convenient to load or pour water. It can be used in the microwave oven, and can be machine washable. 3 perfectly portioned compartments encourage you to pack more variety in your child's lunch. Number 5. Tongtai Kids Lunchbags. Available in different attractive colors. It can be used as a daycare school kids and adult men and women lunch bags, picnic bag, or fruit bags etc. The inside material is durable and tear-resistant, plus easy to clean and wipe. Has durable zipper and easy to carry, with top handle. The inner insulation layer helps to keep the food warm and cool, to access healthy and nutritious snacks and meals. The eye-catching unique design of the game appearance style bag will definitely make you or your kids stand out.